This is Sneezing in a Tinky Winky costume by Chhinkni powder. Ready? I don't have enough battery, so I have to do it real quick. I'm gonna use a Q-tip this time, cause I don't know how to sniff Chhinkni powder. Ready? I'm gonna snuff Chhinkni powder. Snuff it real hard. Ready? I'm coughing! I like you when Mr. Dan sneezes. Mr. Dan. I'm gonna wait for my sneeze to come. Like Mr. Dan. And Mr. Mark has a sore throat. I like it when Mr. Dan has sneezes and Mr. Mark has a sore throat. This is my Tinky Winky costume I beat for Halloween last year during COVID. My eyes are bad, so bad.